For sorting, we have three ways to sort. The first one is to highlight all the data that you work on, and then you go for sort. And from the data, you go to the sort, and within the sort, we have to send like you for the guest name. If you need to sort it by the guest name, and you send order as by say value or color, this is by what value, and from A to Z or Z to A, ascending or descending order, and then done. So this is the first simple way is to sort your data from ascending A to Z. Then if you need it by the total number from 1, you can do the same. From here, go to the sorting, and then you can sort it by table number. This is by value. This is smallest to largest, and then give them from 1 to 3. There is another way if you can run the sort functions. You can use equal sort and then open the parentheses. Now we need to highlight the from where you need to, so it's from A2, and then we put the colon until we need D6. We need to include E, you can just put E, for example this is E6. So depending on the all the data you need to sort, and then you put what the column that you need to sort about. If you need to sort the data by sent invitation, so you have to you calculate this is 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to put 4. So now we use the numbers to share for the column that we need to sort about. And then if you need like ascending or descending order, if you need ascending order, so you have to put a true. Okay, if you need descending order, you have to put false, and then you just click OK, and you'll see all the data is sorted by send invitation, no, no, yes, yes, yes. So this is the second part of how you sort the data using the function. There is another way, third way to sort your data by highlighting all the data you need to sort. Go for data and go for sort. In the sort, if you need more advanced sort in the Excel sheet, you just put add level. For example, if you need to sort it by the guest name from A to Z, and then you need it to sort it by the sent invitation. So sent invitation from A to Z, and click OK. So you will have the guest name from A to Z, and then you have the send invitation as yes, no, yes, no. So this is the three way how to sort, the simple way how we do the sorting. So you have three options to do in the Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. We'll keep our cleaning data next in the next video. Please subscribe and comment. See you next video.